Hello, my name's Charles Cuss. I work for Geoff Castle's Boiler Services and we're based in the country of Ireland, both north and south. Why I sort of attended this course today is, even though I have quite a good knowledge of boiler house systems and water treatment already, it's one of the areas that our customers are becoming consistently aware of something that they need to address. There's already a drive for training in Ireland. However, the one thing where we see a lack of knowledge is in water treatment across the sites that we work with. For myself, been a little bit more involved in terms of the technical side of boiler house systems. Opportunity to cover testing in a higher level was very valued within the course and give me an insight into the sort of the day-to-day roles that boiler operators face on sites. The other thing for me that I felt was very beneficial was the interaction between different substances within boiler water treatment and the combined effects of those.